Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Stihl MS170 chainsaw. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm trying to teach you anything, I'm trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And the one sound. Also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Por favor, esperen. Guys, in case you're new in my store, I take everything apart, muffling everything, like that I can show you everything. I will assemble it back and we're gonna try to give it a shot to see where we are. We already know we have a problem right here. Sorry about the lines, is that the line has to change it. I know. It's broke this here, looks like it lost maybe. He went into a fight, he lost. And you have it over here, I guess, remember anyways, I sell for parts. If you're trying to fix these machines, you're making a big mistake because I sell for parts. If you're trying to fix this, up to you. Because maybe you want this part, that part, maybe you want to hang it, that's what I do, sell for parts. Other than that, it looks like carburetor, everything is there. We're gonna try to give it a shot to start it to see if the coil works or everything. Alright, come over here, we have the clutch. Let me see it's moving, let me see if we'll lock it. Alright, it's locked. It's moving. Alright, we know already locked, at least it's working. And remember, this is what it looks just broke here. We'll come over here. I don't think it comes with the thing. I have already like 4 of them that I'm putting to sell. Maybe I still got like 1 or 2 more left. I don't think I got more of them, of the 170s. Maybe I got more, but so far that's what I saw when I was looking. Okay. Okay. And okay. See what we got here. Let's see if I can get a little more of the light. Maybe we'll hop in something. So yeah, it went off completely right there. No, it's not helping that much. Right, let me test it. I'm sorry. We will go by right there. Alright, you have it here. Remember guys, I'm trying to be fair as I can with you guys. Like that, when you receive the machine, you fair with me too, and you know, we're on the same page. I'm trying to lie or anything. Just always remember that I sell for parts and this is a broken machine. Alright, enough is enough. We're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna assemble it back to see where we are. We're good there. Let me see. Yeah, we wanna. I don't see the. Right there. We're good. We're good. We're bueno. We're bueno. Alright, we'll have it there, guys. Alright. We're gonna put a spark plug. Let me see which one I got, which I have here. I have a lot of them, but they're all mess. And always I put the new ones and I leave it inside the machines and I forget to take them out. Let's see what we got here. So you see, that's why we need to check. We already see a situation here. I see. Okay, I got it. It looks like this is not 100%, but at least I got it in. Alright. We gotta check that. Alright, so far we know the coil works. It's working. Perfecto, we're gonna put it. And we're gonna throw a little gas to see what we got. Alright. Remember, don't throw that much. I know you guys like to throw a lot. Go easy on it. Here's acceleration. Since it's missing all the thing for acceleration, I know that I had that thing here. I think I threw it away. You know I'm a mess. I'm trying to do so many machines. And like everybody, I make mistakes, you know, so I'm human. Alright, we're gonna hit it. I'm not gonna even do it on the side. Let me see if I can do it from here. No, just go down. Look at that baby. You throw my glasses and everything. Look at you looking for a house, doesn't want to give up. She's saying this is nothing. You look at that, huh? Trying to find a home. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Alright, you have it here so far. We know that handle works, flywheel works, coil works. All that, guys, remember for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's damaged. If you want to fix this and you guys, don't call me. Remember, maybe you want this part, you want to hang it. Thank you guys, thank you for everything. I love you. Hola mi gente, que me dice la raza, que se una la raza. Aquí tenemos un Stihl MS-170. Recuerden mi gente que yo vendo para parte. Si usted trata de arreglar esta máquina, está cometiendo un gran error. ¿Por qué? Porque está rota. Puede ser que no tenga nada, no me importa. Yo vendo para parte. En el caso de esta, vieron que tiene estos partidos aquí, ya más o menos ya sabemos por dónde van los tiros. Y le fueron quitando cositas. Acuérdense que yo desarmo todo para enseñarles todo, como le enseñé ahí. Miren qué lindo como se fue el soldador y se puso la caída. Miren esto. En el aire. Y entonces ya saben cómo funciona esto. Ya sabemos que la ladera funciona, la mariposa funciona y la bobina funciona. De ahí para allá recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Cualquier cosita mi gente ya saben. Aquí estamos, gracias.